Michelle from Noble Touch, and today I'm going to make a tree skirt for my peacock tree. So what you're going to need is some cardboard cut out to size to your tree. This is about 21-22 inches around. Mine might be a little loppy. And then I have, of course, velcro, some feathers. I got these from Amazon, and actually I have now an Amazon shop that you can purchase items from, and I try to list whatever I use in my videos on my Amazon shop, so you can go there and purchase that. Again, you're going to need the Velcro, a box cutter, your glue stick or hot glue gun, and that's all we're going to need for this. So I've already cut my piece out and cut a hole in the center, and then you're just going to cut a straight line to break your cardboard up, like so. And then see, I just want to do a little bit of a concave, like this. Just trying to, there we go. And what I'm going to do here is put the Velcro on this side, and then of course on the back side here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be back. Okay, now we've got that attached, and what we're going to do is just line up our feathers here. I'm just going up a couple inches. I just want a little bit hanging off. Well, I guess the longer feathers will hang a little bit longer. And we're just going to put glue on the trim and glue all the way around till we come here, cut, and then go up to the extra, layers until we're done. Okay, so I went and grabbed my tree base so I could see what it's going to look like. And you guys, I'm loving it. It looks so gorgeous. This is beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me. And I will see if I have time to decorate this tree and maybe get a whole picture of it so you guys can see how nice this looks. But I did use 5 yards. So that roll of ribbon was 5 yards, and I used everything except a couple feet. So if you're going to do a bigger skirt, I would get at least 2 packages of the feathers. And you can also do this on fabric. If you want like the blanket look, then you could do that on fabric as well. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and you guys have a great day.